So Jivy, how you feel right now?
It's not safe, bro.
It's not safe? So what if a bear come out?
Yo, you better cut that out, bro. Before I turn back, boy. What?
So Matt, if a tiger came out here,
Yeah, draw like.
what you gonna do with the tiger, bro?
So what, first of all,
You hugging it?
Yeah, I'm hugging it.
First of all, you know, I got my fishing rod in the back of my trunk, right?
Okay.
So I'm gonna be like, yo, man, I cut you a deal, right?
Uh-huh.
So you spare my life, I give you my fishing rod, so you know you don't gotta get your teeth dirty catching the fish.
Okay,
right?
so he don't gotta use his paws and
Yeah,
shit.
man. So you know you
I
stay
give him
clean.
free
You know,
water,
ain't no female bear want no dirty other bear. You know, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be like, yo, here's this fishing rod. You ain't gotta, you know, get your teeth dirty. You know, you ain't gotta brush your teeth no more, man.
Yo,
You pull all the female bears like that. You pull up to the bear den with a fishing rod, boy. It's over, son. It's over. It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
So
They on you.
Y'all
That's
heard
what
it here
you
from
offering, Matt?
Nature Man Matt.
Heard it here first.
Heard it here first.
that's a good deal, man. Fishing rod. I don't got
Fishing rod to save my life. Friendly.
I'm trying to go.
We're going this
all
way.
around.
Oh, you dangerous. We're going to the waterfall.
Yeah, we can go to the when we go to the waterfall, we can come back whichever way you want.
All right, cool.
Perfect. Hopefully I'm not dead
Let's just
before
please
then.
get to the waterfall. Cause niggas is wet. I mean,
Huh?
Oh, whoa!
I mean hot. Hot.
What you
Niggas is hot.
What you wet for, man?
I'm trying to get wet. So
Okay.
I'm
God damn.
Yo,
Jesus, I'm going in the
bro,
back.
why y'all being spooky,
Yo,
bro?
that's crazy.
I wasn't here.
Hey, what the fuck was that?
Why y'all being
Yo,
spooky?
cut it
bro?
out,
so
Jamal. Yo, Jamal, cut it out, man. Cut it out, man.
Why is this tree broken
Let's
in
just
half?
cut the trunk.
Damn, so God himself was like, yo, let me fucking smite this tree real quick. That shit is gone, bro.
Let me quick scope this
Yo,
tree.
what type of dangerous shit is this?
It's a quick scope.
Dude, let me
Nigga, god damn.
Look up, I'm going on there.
God had to quick scope the tree, bro.
That nigga God hit a 360 no scope and body that bitch.
See, I thought y'all made money. Got a mask on, come over the top of the hill right there. You know, you see that top of that hill right there?
Top of the hill.
Yeah, come over there. I come over there and I start chasing y'all.
You got like 7 niggas running across the hill.
Like a horror comedy, and then I run into a tree when I'm coming after y'all.
And you just tumble down and it start rolling down the hill and shit.
And then nobody let me in that run.
Like these stupid ass. I was trying to kill you
You
guys.
was a killer nigga? You ain't nothing but a little bitch. Man, don't talk to me like that. Tell you what, that'd be a good ass movie, son.
And then the real killer come out.
Yeah, the real killer come out and kill me, the fake killer. And then it turned into an actual horror movie. Yep, there you go right there.
There it goes.
Come on, die.
Shit, set. Oh, what the fuck was that? Oh, don't be doing that shit.
No head top.
Now that water stink.
It stink?
Hell yeah.
Look at that little fish.
Where?
Guppies.
Oh, I can't record and do this at the same time. You know, a nigga don't got that much
Look at Jamal, look at the little
multitasking.
Put it right there, man.
You feel me? This shit dangerous.
Damn, man. Trying to hit it. Fool, what you recording, bro?
I'm recording everything.
This fool walking straight the camera on that side, bro.
Oh, hey, don't fall.
There's no brakes. Jamal, you gotta check everything, Jamal.
I got you. I don't got you. This is hard. Oh, look at the doggy. Oh, they wildin' over there. This.
Yo, this one is supposed to be a...
Oh, that joint deep. Shit, I'm kind of mad I ain't bring a pic.
Yo, we going over here. Come on.
That's a lot of Corona. And so look, listen, you got them in the water up here, and that water's going. Okay, babe, we hiking now.
I'm tired of this shit, dude. That dumb shit. Yeah. Slow it down. No more speed.
You say your ass hurting? So my heart rate went up to 147.
Is that safe?
I don't know if that's safe or not.
Mine's 176.
Shit,
Oh, Lord, man.
that's too high.
Man, you on the road. You on the road.
So we walked a mile, took 25 minutes.
First time. Oh, okay. Not again. Me too. Never again. We rookies, man. That hill right there.
You gotta know how to step, man. You gotta step on the back of your heel.
You got step?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's how you got step, Matt. You got step like this, Matt.
All the way back here, boy. In the front, you gotta be light.
You got do it.
Yeah.
You got step like this, man. You got hit this. You got hit this.
You gotta put that door in neutral, boy. Compression. No movements. Beer hit this.
Oh.
Don't make it like this. I don't know what to tell grandma. That's why
Devon? Look, cuz. This ain't the shit to be playing with.
that's a good game.
I almost fell.
I ain't going no further, cuz. That's it.
Yo, Devon, where you at? Where you
I almost fell, dog. Look at my heartbeat. 170.
We're sitting down right here and work.
I would not.
I almost fell, lost my life. But yeah, you know, people down there, we can go chill up here and, you know, just chill out. The water do look good, though. I won't lie. That shit clear as fuck. Waterfall probably like the cleanest part of the gym. I don't know how to zoom in on the GoPro, but we going down to the bottom, yeah.
I at least need to get my feet wet, bro.
Be careful.
What we'll do?
You was slipping.
Oh yeah, fuck that.
Don't step this way.
Oh.
Yo, what up? Let my blood come back up first.
Yeah, that's a lot of open water right there. Oh.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, I'm taking my shoes off now.
Jesus.
Jesus.
Jesus. Jesus.
How do I get back?
I gotta go back.
Yo, my whole shoe wet. I'm not a truck. Oh my God. It doesn't matter no more. The slippers. Yo. Yo, man. Oh, Lord.
Why this nigga screaming like a bitch?
Yo, we slippery as fuck. Hey, don't step on the one that's brown, bro. I'm gonna get something I told you. What? After this.
Devon, nice thighs.
Fuck you.
Come on. Come on. Come on, get the hell. Come on.
Yo, how the fuck are y'all walking on this? This shit is slimy. Fuck, I don't know.
I'm coming back. I gotta put my phone down because this is dangerous.
Woo. Oh, shit. Yo. Yo.
This is, hey, this is strong as fuck. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Boy, this is strong as
Come
fuck.
on.
Bro, I'm not going there, bro.
Shit. Oh.
We gonna make it.
How y'all feet not hurting, bro? My feet are fucked up.
So, we made it to the water. Ooh, you see my feet, bro? My feet white.
Look at this shit. It's just turning me the way I want to turn me. I ain't even doing shit. This shit got a mind of its own, bro.
Wow. Wow.
She said she fell into a hole. Yo, nigga.
Damn, the water gonna get mad and kill me in a boy. Stop. Back low.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Matt. Big skipper. Shit. Yeah, the rocks make it dangerous. Sand is beautiful. Hey, over here feels great. God damn.
Yeah, right here is all sand.
For real? But I gotta walk through the dangerous rocks first.
It's worth it.
Come sit your butt down.
It's worth it.
It's worth it.
Oh shit! Oh! What is sand at?
Almost there.
Oh shit! Oh, that shit hurt. Oh shit! Matt, you lied to me, dog.
Bro, that's almost there.
Ah! Oh, they lied to me, dog.
Bro, ain't nobody lied to
They said the sand out here. Where the fuck the sand at?
The sign over there where he's sitting on.
Oh, God, okay, back.
This nigga got another fucking. Oh, that's a good ass. That's marble, nigga.
It's a quartz, I think. Quartz? Is that what it's called? Quartz?
I don't know. Marble quartz. One of the two. That shit sexy. Nigga sell that shit.
Sell it. Who the fuck buying rocks?
Ask Goodwill. Cause niggas be buying that shit.
Buy Himalayan salt.
Yeah, bro.
I don't know about rocks.
Alright, so Matt, the first step of swimming, you just want to completely let go.
Completely let
Yeah,
go.
just completely let go.
Get the head back. Get the head
Do
back.
that with these currents.
But that's how I tackle him. Yo, nigga, let me go.
Oh, let me back up. Hold on. You trying to drag me in that bitch. But yeah, y'all, this has been just a little vlog. This is my first serious vlog, I guess. And yeah, we about to wrap it up. So more car shit coming soon. This is just something different. Look at my white feet. I don't know why my feet white.